If we fucking, she paying a fee. And please don't give me no bush weed. You know must split them longer than loose leaf. Grab a well out and I kick like Bruce Lee. After she smoke, then she give me her coochie. Slip the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me girl. Pon the phone, just quick believe me girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me girl. Link pon the tool and come. So first to the face, I hear the voice and you don't know say I No, I'm not cogency today, bro. Look at me. Where's my... My name is Trigger Damachi today, bro. All my Trigger Damachi niggas in the comments, I see you guys, bro. Trust me, I see... Yo, fix up, big man. I see you guys in the comments, bro. Just trust me, I still get to them. Trust me, I still get to the Trigger Damachi comments. All my Trigger Damachi niggas in the comments, bro. Just, you know, keep commenting Trigger Damachi, bro. I feel like I'm like super Saiyan Triggs right now. You understand? That's, yo, when you see me dressed like this, bro, call me Super Saiyan Triggs, man. You understand? Don't call me Cogency anymore, bro. I'm Super Saiyan Triggs. But anyway, man, today we have OFB double L's plugged in with Fumez up on Pressplay. Premiered 23 hours ago and it almost have 200k views. So, you know what I'm saying? I gotta see what's going on. You see me? But we don't want to waste much time. Road to 2k. We're there 1.8. So if you're seeing this, subscribe. Come on, bro. I have somebody I wanted to meet as well. This, hold on. This is OG Bobby Brown, okay? Say hi to OG Bobby Brown. I put his name on the bottom of his shoes, okay? OG Bobby Brown. He's a pimp from New York, all right? So say hello to OG Bobby Brown. All right. What's up, niggas? Young straight, yeah. Hey, don't say the N-word on my channel, bro. Bitch, nigga. Hey. Anyway, man. But yo, let's just jump into this shit, man. I'm doing way too much today, bro. I feel like doing a whole bunch of fuckery today. You understand? So let's just jump into it, man. Let's see what double L's have to say. Fumez in the light skin face.
Aye. Plugged in with Fumez engineer.
Yeah.
Oh, you know the vibes.
Yeah.
Gunshot behind you, boy.
Gunshot behind me, boy. Brrr.
Yeah.
Pow, pow.
You know the vibes. He got sat down like a primary assembly. Energy. Bro beat corn the enemies. He could've got spawn in the memories. Energy spilled like Hennessy. I slapped out a man and he ran, try to get head top like JF Kennedy. Definitely. One of them soon go cemetery. Should've knew his life is in jeopardy. I wet down, put a on diver. I got 2 in 1, that was light work. Get away clean with a left and a right turn. Wouldn't know it's me that trimmed off his sideburns. Might ying that down when we spin back round.
Dog, what? Trimmed off his sideburns, fam. You're yinging. Hold on, dog. Let me put this shit down, fam. You're yinging niggas in the face now, bro. That's what we're doing. Ah, dog. Let's say a word. Do it again. No, don't do it again. Play the song again. That's what I'm doing, bro. Don't do it again.
With a left and a right turn, wouldn't know it's me that trimmed off his sideburns. Might ying that down when we spin back round, both fling that out, trying to lick man down. Heard he got a voice, better sit back down, Willie. He ain't got a choice and a big bangs out. Man, circle around like an analog stick.
Oh no, oh my god, if he flows with analog stick, bro, I swear to God, I'm going to punch something. I'm going to punch OG Bobby Brown, bro, I swear.
I wet down, put a on diver. I got 2 in 1, that was light work. Get away clean with a left and a right turn. Wouldn't know it's me that trimmed off his sideburns. Might ying that down when we spin back round, both fling that out, trying to lick man down. Heard he got a voice, better sit back down, Willie. He ain't got a choice and a big bangs out. Man, circle around like an analog stick. Try get head top, but man, I lobbed it. Die, fam, I lost it. Jump out, till your brother don't slip. More racks on my age.
OG Bobby Brown, I told you if he flowed with it, I'm gonna punch you in a fam. I swear. Bitch. Alright, wait a second. Don't hurt him. Alright, bro. I ain't gonna hurt him, bro. I'm gonna leave him alone. Alright. You look, you said they beg for you, know, bro. Next time, I'm fucking your shit up, bro. I swear to God. I'm take. What? What you just say? OG Bobby Brown talking shit, bro.
But man, I loved it. Die, fam, I lost it. Jump out, till your brother don't slip. More racks on my age, more yaks on my case. Had to tell a bad one, leave me alone. Cause you don't contribute to my peas on the road. I told her it's me on my own. Alakazam and a caliber bangs. If you chillin' at block, you're dead. I got mad on a man if he hangs with a gang and he don't wanna slide or step. There's a word going round town.
How you going to hang with us and don't slide or step, man? If you're hanging with us, you have to be contributing to the cause, bro. You have to either be 25-8 in the trap, fam, or you're on the street banging blood. You understand? Like, you can't just do there. I want to say, oh way, I know way, you just did there post for Instagram. Nah, brother, nah, IG badness I do it, dog. A real life badness, dog. Meanwhile, I'm here in a Pikachu toilet.
I go mad on a man if he hangs with a gang and he don't wanna slide or step. There's a word going round town, you'll stay in your house, don't hang in them ends. You ain't done jewels, just relax. If Boggle jumps out, then it's kill us. Wash your bells on the shot, you both separate.
I like that, man. That relax, kill us, yeah, man.
And he don't wanna slide or step. There's a word going round town, you'll stay in your house, don't hang in them ends. You ain't done jewels, just relax. If Boggle jumps out, then it's kill us. Wash your bells on the shot, you both separate. Both flew out the ride, tryna relegate. We ain't coming for a fight like MMA. 3 step on the gas, love accelerate. Your friend got left you devastated. Carbine and metal blades might be on 2 balls and pedal weight, so it was back and forth on several days. My broski said on my cycle the way I hopped out, wet that like Lido. Choppies, one in his me, I don't know. How did drill on that iPhone? You never flew out the ride like 5.
Drilling their iPhone, what?
Choppies, one in his me, I don't know. How they drill on that iPhone?
Oh man, they're drilling on the iPhone. They're recording the drills, man.
Where I hopped out, wet that like Lido. Choppies, one in his me, I don't know. How they drill on that iPhone? You never flew out the ride like 5-0. Live, we gonna get back like Shiro. Trying all the teeth come big like Rhino. Skanking beats on the block like a sidewalk. Push your gang 2-step like who's next? 2 secs. Spin this round like a roulette. Shotgun box, give a fuck by your 2 pence. Broski flew out and try leave a youth dead. I've been on it like 100 times. They told like 100 lies. If I hear there's a glide, then I jump inside, bro. Thump it twice, break Dunsi's life. Pedal back glass to the with Brucey. You got wet down like a coochie.
No, I have to take that flow again, dog. Nah, I have to, bro. That flow is mad.
Broski said on my cycle the way I hopped out, wet that like Lido. Choppies, one in his me, I don't know. How they drill on that iPhone? You never flew out the ride like 5-0. Live, we gonna get back like Shiro. Trying all the teeth come big like Rhino. Skanking beats on the block like a sidewalk. Wash your gang 2-step like who's next? 2 secs. Spin this round like a roulette. Shotgun box, give a fuck by your 2 pence. Broski flew out and try leave a youth dead. I've been on it like 100 times. They told like 100 lies. If I hear there's a glide, then I jump inside, bro. Thump it twice, break Dunsi's life. Pedal back glass to the with Brucey. You got wet down like a coochie. Some rice sauce like the ones from movies. Juicy, I swear so. Creep up quiet, we ain't shouting out who's he. Broad day duty, so don't move snoozy. Dookie flew out the hoopty bookie, tryna slap man with his cutie. I ran down, reverse up the ding dong right where they're chilling. I ran down, son, I ran down when he ran to the flats. I ran down, you really got that, should've got it like 3-4 times in his.
Double is a track star. He's a runner, he's a track star. He can run away with the guitar. Bro, the man say him run down literally everybody a while ago, bro. Like the man said like 10 names.
I ran down, reverse up the ding dong right where they're chilling. I ran down, son, I ran down when he ran to the flats. I ran down, you really got that, should've got it like 3-4 times in his. You really caught life, man, it ain't just rap, I really brought guys. Pressing 9 3 times like calling or Babylon, you're gonna see a man with his belly on. Hello talk, we just tell them carry on, bro. Jumped out tryna bang it on.
Hey, this is my belly, bro. I swear to you, bro. But stop, the feds can't know who I am. They think it's Pikachu, bro. Pikachu.
You're gonna see a man with his belly on. Hello talk, we just tell them carry on, bro. Jumped out tryna bang it on. Rules on the block, could've called out my bro. Why not? Ride out, shave man's high top. Why not? Switch man's lights off.
Alright, but no when that go down, I need some that. Feels ass it up. Fumes, are you looking directly in the camera, bro? Don't look at me like that, fam. Man, them bring back masked up L's, fam. You know how long that been? Anyway, bro. Fumes engineer, double L's, Kezi Beats, well done. This beat was, wow. I'm telling you already, dog, if you now got use a vocal sample, bro, make sure set the frequency the way up there so or way down there so, dog. Don't make the artist vocals and the sample vocals a fair fight. You understand? And Kezi Beats did that, so well done. This is, how much would I give this? I would give this a 9 out of 10. I get too much flow a while ago, bro. I swear to you, dog. I got so many flows and bars, I can't get any less, bro. If I get a 8, 8.5 at least, would I get this, dog. You see me? But let me know what you rate it in the comments. Road to 2K, so hit that subscribe button for me, please. Hit that subscribe button for OG Bobby Brown, okay? Before him pimp slap you, motherfucker. Pimp slap one of you niggas, bro. Fuck wrong with you? But anyway, man, let me know what you think in the comments. Tell me what I'm react to next. Road to 2K, so hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, jump in the comments. I reply to all the comments. You don't know. Cogency on the Cogency channel. I want this motherfucker, man. Peace. No! Chicken on my channel, reacts. Channel. What's up, man? Man.
Yeah. Come when the girl them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the toll and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round 2, round 3, yeah, girl. I love you, yeah,